Just 1 second.
This is one of them.
Will be a yesterday that's gone forever. So take my hand, my friend, I want to say, I'm glad we laughed and sang together today.
Basis, be careful.
So take my hand,
Perfect.
I want to say, I'm glad we laughed, I'm glad we loved, I'm glad we sang, oh how we sang today, how we sang today.
Okay, we have one person out of pitch in the last chord, just so you know. Let's go to the last line. Sorry, I'm going a little bit over. So that's today. Today. Sorry. Can you start there? These are okay. How we sang today. Okay, pretty good. Good.